It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback, like this. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.